Introducing ePropulsion Pod Drive electric boat motors. There are 3 ePropulsion Pod Drive models. The Pod Drive 1.0 Evo, 1 kilowatt and 3 horsepower equivalent. Pod Drive 3.0 Evo, 3 kilowatt and 6 horsepower equivalent. Pod Drive 6.0 Evo, 6 kilowatt and 9.9 horsepower equivalent. They're perfect for day sailors and light-duty motorboats. After hundreds of hours of CFD simulation and rigorous testing, the lower unit and propeller are optimized for minimum water drag. They adopt ePropulsion patented anti-corrosion technology that is proven to be durable and effective. It is 3-layer protection that consists of high-quality marine aluminum alloy as the base material, a thick anodized coating, and powder coating. You can use them in saltwater and be worry-free from corrosion. Many customers have given up internal combustion engine inboards and chose ePropulsion Pod Drive motors in recent years. But why? First, they're virtually silent. You will never be bothered by operation noise or vibration. It's the ultimate in boating comfort. Second, the installation process is simple and fast. They have no open-loop water cooling system or an exhaust system. They don't require exact engine alignment like inboard drive shafts do. It's easy to move the motor and battery into the motor compartment because they're lightweight. They also cost you minimum installation labor time. Third, they're maintenance-free. At the core of ePropulsion Pod Drive motors is our advanced brushless direct-drive technology with proven reliability on the market over the past 6 years. Direct-drive motors don't require a gearbox to achieve the necessary torque, which means fewer moving parts and a simple mechanical structure. That's how we make them reliable and maintenance-free. Lastly, they're compact in size and save space. Inside the boat, there's only a small driver unit and a battery. This is critical for day sailors with limited cabin space. ePropulsion Pod Drive motors feature a hydrogeneration function. When sailing, they can generate electricity and recharge the battery to extend the range. This makes your sailing more sustainable by reducing the number of times that you turn on the marine generator. The hydrogeneration is activated and managed automatically according to the sailing speed and state of charge. When the sailing speed is over 10 knots, they will enter into protection mode. The recharging power will not increase and remain stable. Your primary battery choice will be the 48-volt ePropulsion E-Series lithium battery. As the original battery developed by ePropulsion, E-Series batteries can communicate with ePropulsion pod drives, sync the operation status precisely, and apply the best operation strategy. Third-party batteries cannot do this, and that is why we always recommend original ePropulsion batteries. With the 2 kWh E40 battery, Pod Drive 1.0 Evo has 2 hours of runtime at full throttle and 8 hours of runtime at half speed. With the 4 kWh E80 battery, Pod Drive 3.0 Evo has 1 hour and 20 minutes of runtime at full throttle and 5 hours and 20 minutes of runtime at half speed. With the 9 kWh E175 battery, Pod Drive 6.0 Evo has 1.5 hours of runtime at full throttle and 6 hours of runtime at half speed. E-Series batteries have an incredible battery life of up to 3,000 cycles at 80% depth of discharge. We have 3 controls for you: Evo top mount control, Evo side mount control, and Evo dual remote control. You can always find your control that best fits your needs. Evo top mount control has the wireless safety wristband as an optional item. It can stop the motor in case of man overboard and increase safety. Thanks for checking out ePropulsion Pod Drive motors. For more information, visit ePropulsion.com or stop by a dealer to check out the product in person.